I'm riding with your crews, got them skins in your coffin in the bar for the streets, 5
Everyone always talks about the greatest V10s ever made. The Porsche Carrera GT, the Lexus LFA. Those cars are legends. They're untouchable, 7-figure cars. But what if we told you that the king of the V10 platform is not 7 figures anymore? This is a Gen 2 V10 Audi R8. This has our new under development 5-to-1 F1 style headers and our True F1 Catback that is in stock, ready to go right now. So in this video, Keller just got his headers installed and drove all the way out to Boyertown, Pennsylvania to our HQ to showcase what this thing really sounds like. We're also gonna break down why this system sounds different and what we did to achieve this sound. Then we're gonna put it side by side with the Valvetronic Carrera GT with that 5.7 liter V10. And we're gonna finish it off by bringing the Audi R8 to a tunnel and doing a crazy tunnel run. You guys are gonna enjoy this one. This is what the 5.2 liter V10 was always supposed to sound like.
Welcome. Hey, I have a huge problem. Dude, my car is like really loud now. I wonder why. I didn't do anything. It's really loud, dude.
It's tricky.
Bro, okay, insane. Using, you know, the comparison of like it sounds like a CGT is like, a lot of people are like, oh hell no. It actually does. It literally has this like, the same like little rasp that the CGT has when it's
like that.
Bro, did you gave somebody else a set already? I thought it was just me.
This is a V6 Mustang.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. No, like actually though, like it's unbelievable like how crazy this thing sounds. Talk a little bit about the system itself.
So let's talk about the catback first. The reason the catback works is because you want as much velocity as possible. The more velocity you get, the higher the pitch. The thing is the factory headers hold you back. The factory headers have a 4-to-2-to-1 design, even though they're 5 cylinders. One of the runners, or 2 of them, they come together and make a Y, so you don't get a perfectly equalized pulse. Your car now has 5-to-1 headers, which means every single cylinder on each side, they all travel exactly the same distance at the same speed. And that gives you the pitch. So when everything exits at the same point, you hear that crazy resonance. That's why like on Formula 1 cars, they always have those tubular manifolds. It's because you get the most power and the most scavenging. This is a system for a Porsche Carrera GT, and an excellent comparison to compare your car would be to have a Carrera GT to compare it against. This is a 2005 Porsche Carrera GT, and I think it's an excellent comparison to compare how good your car sounds versus this. This car has our catback system non-valve. It does have little resonators, so it's not crazy loud, but I figured we compare this car versus your car to see, does this V10 sound better, or have we cracked the code with the Valvetronic system with the headers and the True F1 rear?